Sleep is fundamental for our quality of life and for us to be healthy both physically and mentally. We need to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day. It's important to renew our energy every day, and we can only do that by resting. It's only during this period of rest that this renovation happens through activation of many important functions. As we know, nowadays people rest less than ever before. Our lifestyle, bad eating habits, stress, and other factors contribute to the development of sleep-related problems. The fatigue and lack of energy that come from insufficient sleep can one day lead to cognitive disturbances. To treat insomnia, some people turn towards stimulants that help them sleep, but these kinds of pills cause dependencies and create more problems than solutions. So how can we fix this problem without affecting our health? There are other naturally healthy ways to help you sleep without experiencing the side effects common to industrialized pharmaceuticals. Banana and cinnamon tea is great at treating insomnia. It has become very popular due to its relaxing properties that relieve stress, improve sleep quality, and don't cause addictions. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, making them an essential part of our diets. These minerals are responsible for regulating our blood pressure, reducing liquid retention, relaxing muscles, and reducing cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that causes stress and can be harmful in large quantities. Here is where the banana comes in. It also has an amino acid called tryptophan that increases serotonin production. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that aids sleep. Cinnamon also has several healing properties due to the eugenol that regulates your metabolism and reduces blood sugar levels, making it perfect for type 2 diabetics. Eugenol is what gives cinnamon its strong flavor, aids digestion, and balances your circulatory system. Digestive and circulatory problems are normally related to sleep, and cinnamon can help with that. This tea is easy to make and super cheap. Drinking it helps with stress and anxiety-related problems, giving you quality sleep. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 liter of water. Instructions: cut the ends of the banana without removing the peel and put it in a pot with boiling water. Turn the stove on low and let it steep for 10 minutes. Then turn off the stove and let it cool. Strain the liquid, add the cinnamon, and mix well. Drink a cup of this tea 40 minutes to an hour before going to bed, and repeat this procedure every night until you start falling asleep easier. Your battle against insomnia will finally come to an end. Don't forget to try and improve your eating habits and create a stress-free environment. If you do all of this, your lifestyle will be healthier and you will feel great. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.